I see your future, and it is pretty freaking rad! Please remember to subscribe, hit the like, and the bell for notifications for new videos. Okay, for my dry brushing, I just got some folk art paint. It's an acrylic, metallic paint, solid bronze. You can find these at Hobby Lobby or any craft store. I have a pure gold and I have a sterling silver that I'll be using. So to cover the base, I'll be using a flat black Rust-Oleum 2X. Covers the base real good. I gotta clean it up, get all those oils off. So for my dry brushing, I'll just take a brush, very lightly brush across the surface, leaving a minimum of paint. So to take the oil off the surface, I got a isopropyl alcohol mixture of water that I'll spray on and wipe off. That'll get most of the oils off and get it prepped for priming. So we'll see how that goes. Let's go ahead and do it now. We're just going to spray it on and wipe it off. Looking back, I really should have worn some nitrile gloves, but I didn't, and well, it came out okay anyway. So there we are. Follow me outside to the paint booth. Alright, so now we're back inside, got it painted, all primered up. Took about 2 or 3 coats of paint to really get that clear covered up. Now I'm going to take an X-Acto blade and kind of cut out a hole right there to thread the lights through so they can go up into the globe. And seeing that the globe pretty much covers up all the top, I really don't care what the hole looks like that lights go through. So I think it's going to look really good either way. So let's set the globe over here, and I'm going to bring my paints over here, and we're going to start dry brushing this thing. And look at the detail on that. It's just going to be beautiful. I can't wait to see how it pops out with those golds and silvers and bronzes and whatnot. So let's have some fun dry brushing this thing. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is take my metallic silver and I'm going to paint around the base of this globe. Just to give it a little bit of separation between the globe and the base. Just to give it a little more old-timey, spooky-looking, magical feel to it. So we'll see how this turns out. It may be bad, I don't know. Let's find out. Okay, so I'll go ahead and stuff the tool up into the globe. I put a fair amount in there, maybe 2 feet. But let's hot glue this globe to the base and get to the final reveal. Let's make it rad.